I'll be teaching you how to make professional product flyers for your businesses and services. How you can use AI to create attractive and beautiful stickers and flyers for your product. So we'll be getting ideas using two apps. One is Canva and the other one is Pinterest. So this is Canva. For those that don't know Canva, this is Canva. And for those that don't know Pinterest, this is Pinterest here. So for this video not to be too lengthy, I will not be going into all that. If you don't know how to use the app, you can search for how to use the app, or later I promise to show step by step. If you don't know how to use it, just drop a comment. I will guide you through step by step on how to use Canva and how to use Pinterest. So what we are about to do is to generate a professional looking sticker for our product. Whatever you're selling, whether you're selling yogurt, you're selling chin, you're selling peanut, whatever product you're selling or services you're rendering, you don't need to start looking for a graphic designer that you have to pay to design these stuff for you. AI has made it very easy, very easy. Within 5 minutes, 2 minutes, your job is done. The only thing you need to do is to take it to a printer where they will print the stickers for you, or where they will print the flyer for you, and you're good to go. So what we'll be doing now, after downloading your sample photo of the kind of flyer or sticker you want, you just go to Pinterest or Canva. You choose one, choose a beautiful flyer or a beautiful sticker, then you download it on your phone. Inside your gallery, you head straight to ChatGPT. It's a common AI content creation app. You come here, right? Now I've pasted an image. Okay, let me do it again. So inside ChatGPT, you click this box, you come to your photo where you've downloaded your image or your sticker, whatever it is. You go there, you search and you choose. So for this tutorial, I'll be using this. Now you tell ChatGPT to write a prompt. Write a prompt for this image in detail. So we hit the send button. So ChatGPT is generating everything about this flyer for us. Everything, because we want to replicate this using our product. So after generating the prompt, this is what we have. So we come here, we copy this prompt, copy it, carefully select it. The beautiful thing is that you can do this with your phone, not necessarily a system. You don't need to wait for a computer or a laptop, start begging somebody. Just your phone, smart work. You can do this at the tip of your finger. Now we've selected it, then we hit copy. Now go to Gemini. This is another AI app that generates clean image using banana. So now we're in Gemini, new charts. So we say create image. This first one, that's what you select. Then you paste your copied prompt there. But you need to edit some things like the name of the business, the name of the product. You get it. So if you have a photo image of what you want to replicate with this prompt, you come here, you go to your gallery, you choose your product that you've snapped. But make sure that when you're taking photo of that product, you put some things into consideration. Make sure that the lighting is very good, right? Okay, I think we don't even need this for now. We don't need this for now. We don't need this for now because we are designing a sticker, so we don't need any image. So go to read the prompts. So now, okay, it said design a high resolution horizontal packaging label for organic roasted brand. So here we'll put it, we'll edit it and say for organic yogurt. This label should have a clean premium supermarket look. Just read carefully. If you want to change the color from what it was to something you like, you can change it. So now you see brand name is Comido. So our brand name, let's say cow. Let's use capital letter. Cow diary. Yeah. So that's what I've changed it to. So you say read Cepido, read diary. Can cute. So I will not touch all those ones, but if you feel like removing it, you can remove it. It's a large glossy peanut shaped dark green bandages. So we'll put here that shape. Okay, peanut. Okay, let's leave this because it's just a kind of design for the flyer. So here we have this one piano again. Change to diary. So roasted. We have another roasted peanut here. It's the yogurt, right? Button section, food imagery. Roasted peanuts. Cow droppings. Cow milk droppings. This is cow milk droppings, right? So the reason just leaving another lesson. So we put cow milk droppings, revealing a cow in black and white skin, that is Ponca dot skin used for producing milk. It should appear professional. It should look professional. Background behind yogurt. I think that's it. So let's hit the send button and see what it would bring for us. Hope you are following. Okay, it's still showing some granule. That means we didn't finish editing it. So I will now prompt it again. I'll say in the remove the crack peanuts image from this photo. Let's see. Can you see? So here, this is what we have. So the thing is that you get an idea of what you want to replicate and carefully read in between the lines. You already know what you want it to be. You know what product or services you're rendering. Just read in between the lines in the prompt and edit it appropriately according to your products. I hope you found this video very useful and very educative. At least you've learned something. So this is our sticker. So you hit the save button to download. We've downloaded it, so we say open. Now let's go to our gallery and see. So this is what we have. So here we go. This is what we have after downloading it on our gallery. It's now saved on our phone. Please follow us on this channel for phone ideas like this. You can make money using your smartphone, using apps, simple apps like this to generate flyers, generate stickers for small businesses as well as your own business. Please also hit the subscribe button to show appreciation. This is how you encourage us to also do more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.